What's up, foodies? If you're a BBQ lover, you've got to try this. Today, we're making the ultimate BBQ Chicken Pizza, and trust me, it's a game changer. First, grab your pizza crust and spread a generous layer of your favorite smoky BBQ sauce all over. Don't be shy with it. Now, for the best part, pile on that juicy grilled chicken, some thinly sliced red onions, and a handful of sweet corn for that extra pop of flavor and texture. Next, we're going to cover everything with a beautiful blanket of golden, sharp cheddar cheese. Pop it on the grill or in the oven until that crust is perfectly crispy and the cheese is melted and bubbly. The smell of that BBQ smoke is just incredible. Look at that. A crispy crust, tender chicken, and all that cheesy goodness. Seriously, one bite and you'll be totally hooked. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing recipes.